What do you do when it's snowy and you decide to drive down to Virginia Beach in your car? Go check out a motorcycle shop. Well, first off, welcome to Dark Dave's shop. This is
Devin.
Devin. We're here at Southside in Virginia Beach.
Yes, sir.
This is the Harley dealer, and he's going to tell us real quick about this beautiful bike here. It's 2021. It's a really nice color. So, Devin, go ahead and show me the features of this.
Well, this is the 2021 Harley Davidson Road Glide Special. This year, a couple of the changes that they've made. I mean, first off, the color is the billiard teal. A couple of the changes that they made between 20 and 21. The first thing that they did was they got rid of the hydraulic clutch.
Why do you think they got rid of the hydraulic clutch?
A lot of people were maybe not complaining, but you know, people like to be able to tinker with their own stuff. People like to be able to make their own adjustments. The hydraulic clutch, you can't really adjust where the slip point is. So, you know, some people, I like having my slip point basically right there. Some people want it right there as soon as it comes out. The manual or the cable clutch allows you to reset that whenever you feel like. Another thing that they did this year was they actually added. Last year they had the Apple CarPlay on the radio. This year they've got Android Auto as well, okay. Which is very, very nice. They got the real sleek dash.
So this is the headset version without the speaker or without the wired mic.
So yes, this does not come with the wired headset. It is Bluetooth capable. So you've got the.
So does it have the WIM already installed? Or?
The WIM is not already installed. It is, you know, it is.
So you would have
it is
to.
An add-on.
Okay.
Yes, but it does come with the RDRS, which is the defensive rider system. So it's got the hill assist, it's got the cornering, the braking assist. You know, one of the things that it'll do, aside from the rain mode, which is definitely nice, but the braking in corners. This was a feature that came out last year, but this year I believe all of the specials have it on it. I don't want to lie to you on that one, but you know, all the specials that we've gotten so far have the RDRS on it. But one of the things is if you're in a curve and something's up there, you know, the riders who have been riding for a long time, they know rear brake more than front brake. I mean, especially if you have to come to an immediate stop in a curve. Well, with the RDRS, one of the things that it does, if you freak out and grab a handful of front brake, it will actually put more rear brake on than front brake with the RDRS.
So keep you from super slide.
Exactly. To start yourself back up the hill, you can just, you know, throttle up the way that you normally would. And then, like I said, it's got the rain mode that'll keep you from. Do you have any questions about it?
Not really, because I mean, I really love the bike.
Yeah.
It's one of those, if I do get rid of the VTX, I'd probably buy one of these because I do love it all blacked out, and this is a beautiful color.
So one more thing that they did in 2021, in 2018, 2019, and 2020, if you wanted to get the special, you could only get the blacked out special. This year, in 2021, if you want the special with the 114 and you want it chrome, you are actually able to get the Road Glide and Street Glide special in the chrome package versus the blacked out package.
Okay. Now, I noticed something which I hadn't noticed before. Blacked out package, and it's still chroming those. I'm like, come on, if you're going to black it out, black it out.
Hey, you know what? You got to have a little bit of accents on it.
Right. Now, just because I'm not used to this air filter,
okay.
How well is this going to take all the rain?
This is actually the disposable air filter that comes stock on it. However, it does come with a rain sock. So you put this rain sock on it and you're good to go. You can ride through pretty much a monsoon with this guy.
Okay.
That still lets the air in, but it you know,
deflects the rain enough.
Deflects the rain, yes sir.
Okay. Well, Devin, I want to say thank you very much.
Thank you.
Please tune into the channel. This will be on pretty soon. Enjoy.